Hey y'all, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what we're going to be doing is cooking some homemade pancakes in this new cast iron skillet. Let's go ahead and get straight to this video. Add 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, one large egg, one cup of milk. It could be 2% or fat-free, doesn't matter. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Also, I made one pancake that did not come out too well because the batter was too thick, as you can see towards the end. But also add 2/3 of water to your mix. So I was told that this pan does better with the spray oil or spray butter. So I'm using some canola spray. I don't want to use this. I'd rather use some butter. So if you have spray butter, definitely use that. And I'm going to pour a small amount in the center of the pan. So I had already cooked the pancake earlier, like I said, and it was horrible. So I had my pan on medium high. This pan gets extremely hot, so I'm going to turn it down to low, like completely low, and we're just going to let it just bake on top of the stove. How you know when to turn your pancake is when you see those small little holes that are forming inside the pancake. Once you see as many as you can, Go ahead and slide your spatula underneath the pancake, and if it's nice brown and golden like you like it, go ahead and flip it. Me personally, I like my edges crisp, but this one was not so crispy like I want it to be, but it will do. I also like to put my butter on the pancake whites in the pan. I feel like it just gives that buttery flavor, especially it seeps into the pancake as well. But you can do it however you want to. You can even put it on after you take it off the stove. It's whatever you like. And this is the end results of the pancake and the breakfast we had this morning.